Alrighty, we're breaking this box of Brilliance from eBay listings, August the 6th. And the Celtics are Welcome, Nets, Ordinelli, Bobcats, B-Mac Attack, 55, the Bulls, Ordinelli, Cavaliers, Mommy 12-14-02, Golden State, Memo 56, Clippers, Golds 868, Mommy 12-14-02, the Heat, Gold 868, the Hornets, Gold 868, OKC Thunder, Memo 56, and the rest are unsold. And the unsold teams will go to myself. If there is two people on the card, nobody owns. If somebody owns 50%, they get the card. Unless two people own 50%, then it goes to the randomizer. But if one person owns two teams and the rest own one on like a 4 card, it goes to the person that owns the 2 teams. Everything is described in my eBay listing. So here's the box. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Kobe pack will go to the Lakers. I'll prop this up just a bit so you can maybe see the cards a little better than you have been in the past. Let's try it out. Okay, here we go. Good luck, everybody. We'll open the Kobe pack first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 packs as advertised. Good deal. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Alright, Kobe pack. This is going out to Mommy 12-14-02. Maybe we can hit something in this. That would just be awesome, wouldn't it? After all that waiting, Kobe. Ooh, Phil Jackson Kobe. I haven't seen that Kobe. And Kobe. And the West Kobe. And Champion Kobe. Cool. Alright. So TS 105.31. Good to see you. Alright. And first pack. Tyler Hansbrough. AJ Jefferson. Al Jefferson. Why am I saying AJ? Eric Gordon. I'm tired. Been a long day. Michael Kidd Gilchrist. James Worthy. And Jimmy Butler. Pack number 2, Sean Marion, Glenn Davis, DeMar DeRozan, Scores Incorporated, Dwayne Wade, Damian Lillard, which this was a Leaf product, Rick Mahorn. Alright, Eric Clark, Kirk Heinrich, Luke Ridnour, big insert card, thick insert card. Accolades, Paul Pierce, Brandon Knight, and Gary Payton for the Supersonics. Here we go. Lance Stevenson, John Salmons, Mike Miller. Bernard James is backwards. Is it an auto? Yeah, Bernard James for the Mavericks when unsold. But auto nonetheless. Brilliant beginnings. Cool. Kyle Singler and Hakeem Olajuwon. Reggie Evans, Andrus Barinas, Danny Green, Russell Westbrook, Brilliance for the Thunder, Marcus Morris, and Reggie Jackson for the Thunder. Reggie Jackson's going to be a star. I'm telling you guys, watch out for that kid. Watch out for that kid. Brandon Bass. 10% battery left on the phone. Dangerous. Brandon Bass, Brandon Jennings, P.J. Tucker, Damian Lillard, Adrian Dantley, Andrew Nicholson. Brandon Rush, Jason Terry, Reese Speets, Jason Kidd accolades, Nolan Smith, and Sam Perkins for the Seattle Supersonics. All those go to the Thunder, of course. Jay Stackhouse, Will Bynum, Tyreek Evans, Brandon Knight, Magic numbers. Tyshawn Taylor, next Pablo Braguni, Franganini, whatever. Ooh, that feels thick. What's up, Jake Sports Card? Sorry, man. Ooh, we did get something in here. Kevin Martin, no longer for the Thunder. Udonis Haslam. Luis Scola. Markieff Morris. Iman Shumpter. Andre Iguodala in that insert. And the hit is LaMarcus Aldridge for the Portland Trail Blazers. It went unsold. But it's just a standard thing. And look at the damage on that card. Look at that stuff. Look in the corner if you can see it. Do you see that damage? That's just ridiculous. Oh my gosh. That's pretty pathetic, guys. I mean, look at this. Wow. I'm gonna talk to Panini about that. That's ridiculous. I'll be sending that in. Pay enough for these boxes to have that kind of crap happen. Vince Carter, Hedo Turkoglu, Ed Davis, and Gordon Hayward. Is that an auto? Gordon Hayward. Brilliance, 141 and 199 for the Jazz. Auto. Nope, not a personal break, Jake. This is the break for eBay. eBay break. Gordon Hayward is there. And Klay Thompson, Isaiah Thomas. All right. Jody Meeks, Luol Deng, Nikola Pukovic, insert. Steph Curry on the insert for Magic numbers. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, and Tobias Harris. Roy Hibbert, Marcus Thornton, Al-Farouq Aminu, Dwight Howard for the Lakers in one of those short prints. Perry Jones for the Thunder, nice. Myers Leonard. A couple packs left here. I think we've hit out this box though. If I'm not mistaken. Not the best box of Brilliance. Joe Johnson, Andrew Bogut, Boris Diaw, Bill Walton, Springfield, Basketball Hall of Fame. Sam Cassell for the Clippers. Kent Blazemore for the Warriors. Avery Bradley, Bino Udrih, Marcin Gortat, Team of Tomorrow, Tristan Thompson, Maurice Grant. Look at those glasses. Woo! Hot stuff in those glasses. Kimball Walker. Elton Brand, Courtney Lee, Marcus All, Bradley Beal, lettered card, John Henson, Jeremy Lamb for the Thunder, A lot of Thunder players in this. No KD yet, but a lot of the others. Richard Hamilton, Blake Griffin, DeJuan Blair, LeBron James accolade for the Heat. That's a nice little pickup. Dantis Majunas, Jeff Hornicus. Chris Humphries, Drew Gooden, Shannon Brown, Dwayne Wade, letters, Marquise Teague, oh man, Vyacheslav Trevosa, ooh, I don't even know. Carl Landry, Jeff Green, Mark Conley, Jeremy Lin, number 7 Magic numbers, Kyrie Irving, and Allen Houston. 2 packs left, guys. 2 packs. Andre Iguodala, J.J. Redick, Kyle Lowry, Marco Vignelli, Daquan Jones, Will Barton, and last pack, Dwight Howard. Focus in a little bit more, maybe. Camera. No, Dwight Howard. Marco Vignelli. Ricky Rubio. Insert card. Wes Unseld. Springfield. For the Bullets, Shaq. Shaq's quality card. And a Chandler Parsons. He's going to be somebody. For the Rockets, awesome. Recapping the hits, Gordon Hayward for the Jazz, 141 of 199. Signature, Brilliant Beginnings, Bernard James for the Mavericks. And a really beat up by Panini, warped, really crappy, increased, and look at this crap. White, everything like that. That's just the most horrible card I've ever seen. LaMarcus Aldridge. So, yeah, I'm going to let them know about that product because that's just a shame. Anyways, there's the break. And I'll stop the video. Thanks for joining us.